Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to show you how to track what leads are actually qualified, and then I have some really exciting thing to show you about reporting on those qualified leads. So I'm actually just going to do this live within the Agency X-Ray Tracker. So if you've yet to download this, it's going to be there when you download it. Otherwise, you can just modify your own tracker just like this. Okay, so all these leads come in, and for me, let's actually go to our current leads view. For me, I want to do a quick little note of whether they are qualified or not. So I'm going to say qualified and put it as a sort of question mark. And this is going to be a single select, and the options are going to be yes, they're qualified, no, not sure. Now you could also say probably or whatever, but I'm just going to kind of color these. Actually, maybe I'll say probably yes. Right, so when a lead comes in and it's just one of those leads you're feeling like, yeah, this is probably a good one, or more likely a lead comes in and you're thinking, all right, just based on the email they sent, that it's probably not going to be a good lead. All right, so let's go over here now into our all leads, because we're going to want to create a lot of different values here. Looks maybe it only allows us to kind of copy and paste it like this. I bet you if we selected like 4 rows and then dragged it, look at that. Isn't that nice? We're just kind of faking our data here for a little bit by just selecting it, kind of like in Excel, and then drag all the way down here just so we get some good data. And the reason I'm doing that is because now I want to show you something else that I want to calculate. So I'm actually going to duplicate the total leads. I'm going to duplicate this field, and it's now going to be total qualified leads. It's going to allow us to do some really great stuff here. I'm really excited about this one. Okay, total qualified leads. And we're going to change this so that we're going to add where there's a criteria now where qualified lead is yes. So now we know for a particular lead source, not only the number of leads, but the number of leads that we deemed as quality. And now we're going to then create another field that shows the percentage qualified. I mean, this seems to me pretty freaking amazing. I don't know about you, but this kind of stuff gets me excited. So let's take our total qualified leads divided by total leads. I mean, come on, how easy is this? Make it formatting, make it a percentage, and all of a sudden we know that for Google, 30% of our leads are qualified. And for referrals, 17% are qualified, right? Fake data as always, but I really encourage you, if you are using the reporting tab, to put this information in there, to always track if a lead is qualified or not, because sometimes you lose a client, but they still were qualified. So you can't just go off of won and lost. It has to be some sort of indication if somebody was qualified or not. I'm super excited. I hope you are too. I hope you put this to good use, and you'll be able to know not only what are the best lead generation sources for the number of leads, but the percentage of those leads that are qualified. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.